Hello, good morning everybody. My name is Das and I'm going to present the project called IDrive. Nowadays we all, work on our applications or whether it be laptop or handheld devices. We have our files, our documents. But what is the sustainability of these devices? How do we make sure that these devices doesn't conk off or they don't crash? So these applications make sure that you can upload your files, your documents to the cloud, and it gets archived over there. So this IDrive Windows app was developed for targeting Windows 8, whether it be Surface tablet or whether it be a Windows 8 operating system PCs. So using this app, we can backup, upload, store, share documents, photos, and videos to the cloud. This application can be used for both personal as well as business purposes. Let's go over with the features. As I said before, upload documents, photos, and videos from your devices, whether it be your handle Windows Surface tablet or your Windows 8 OS. You can browse and manage files, folders in your IDrive account using this particular application. Share a file or a folder link via the Windows People app. You can view your photos, stream your music, as well as watch videos. Quickly access your files or folders by adding them to a shortcut. You can view and manage up to 30 versions of your files. Okay, talking about versions. Sometimes what we do is we can edit a document, we can upload it once, twice, and thrice. And then suddenly we realize that we want that the first version is the correct one. So how do we take it back? So this is how we maintain 30 versions of your file. I'll show you more of it as we go to the demo of the application later on. All the data under the data storage location is stored using 256-bit AES encryption. You can access an additional private key encryption key is available for you. So as in this encryption key will not be stored on the server, it's only available to you. So in case the flip side of it is if you lose this private encryption key, even we cannot retrieve your data back. The hardware requirements are, it's a 32-bit as well as 64-bit application, and you can ARM as in Windows Surface tablets. It's obviously targeted to Windows 8 and above. Developing tools were Visual Studio 2012, now moved to 2013, and this works on .NET Core framework. That's my details. Anybody want to WhatsApp me or email me? It's over there. So let's go over with the demo. Windows Code applications usually use a framework like WPF, where it uses XAML for the backend, for the design part. Okay, let's go through the basic first. So this is your login page, right? So you can sign up for a 5 GB free account, which will direct you to the website. Even the forget password will direct you to the website. So I have one key which is already made. Let's see, it's to the one. Test, and you press on login. So this is how your files and folders will look when it is uploaded to your this one, your IDrive account. So if you do a right click on this, you'll see an upload button which is coming on down below. When you click on this, you can upload files. So let's go there. When you click on upload files, you can see this is your PC, or this is your show dialog box, the basic one for Windows Store applications. So I'll choose this particular file and click on open. When I choose this, you see items in progress will come over here and show you the progress. In between, if you want to click on cancel, you can click on cancel. It will tell you in a post notification saying the upload has been cancelled for this file. So let's just continue with the file upload. So the item is in progress. Let it upload. load. Bear with me for a second over here. So as soon as this file uploads, the entire view will refresh so that you can view the file being listed on your application. So additionally, I'll tell you. Yeah, that's the refresh done. Where is the file? It's over here. So right click, you can see we have multiple options. You can again download, you can choose a location where you want to download. This is the SkyDrive by default which is coming. You can go to this PC and choose your download location. Additionally, you can go for a manage of this particular file. So you can do a rename, you can do a delete, you can do a copy and a move. Okay, copy, rename, delete, we all know about it, right? But copy and move, as in like, you want this file to move to a particular folder, like for this particular, say, test folder. So let's go, click on copy, copy one item to, you'll see the folders being listed. So I'll say, I'll click on test, I'll say test here. So the copy has been done. If you go to test, you'll see the gems have been matched. This particular file is already present here after copy. If you say move, it's something like cut and paste. Then we have the concept of gallery option. If you click on gallery, all the pictures which are there, it will show in the gallery mode. So additionally, if you want to click on this file, then it will show you in a bigger bigger mode, so that you can have a view. Again, these are all video files. So let's talk about video files now. So this is a video file. So these files can be streamed over here. Plus, so the next bit is stream also. Oh yeah, there it is. So when you click on this, it starts streaming your videos up to a 40 MB size. Now, so if you have a 300 MB size video, it will not play you the entire one, but a part of it. So this is a popular video called beer pong, actually, as we all know. The streaming takes a little time over here. So the next bit, I guess. So just a small example. Let's not wait for the buffering to complete. Let's go back. Right. This application also supports Unicode files. As you can see over here, it's a Unicode character over here. So we can even support that one. Additionally, if we can navigate to any of the folders which are there in your iDrive account, so we can keep on drilling down. And say suppose I have deleted this versions file. Let's delete this. So this pop-up will come up saying that you are about to delete. So click on delete over here. And after we delete, it gets removed from here. But suddenly you say, okay, I need this file back. So this is like a recycle bin over here for trash. So it will show you the file over here. So you can again recycle. But if you delete it from here, it will be deleting permanently. So if you say put back, it will again go back to the same location. So let's come back. Okay. What's Facebook backup? Anybody? Just a wild guess. Okay. No problem. So this Facebook backup, you have to log into your Facebook account over here. So whatever files or pictures which you will be having or videos will be uploaded to your account. But obviously, because of security thing, we have mentioned over here that we will be prompting you for your credentials every time you do this. So when you say backup to Facebook, it will connect to a service which is this SDK is again provided by Facebook in an open source forum. There it is. So I'll just give my own personal it will ask you the permissions. So you just have to say OK, and you can say skip first. So just wait for a couple of seconds. You will see over here there will be one. Yeah, it started. So you can continue your navigation and all other stuff while your backup is going on to your particular folder over here with the F icon. So if you see, I just navigate here. Yep, there are some folders already uploaded. Okay, I'll not go much into this. It's my own private albums. So yeah, so that's how it gets loaded. One couple of more things and we'll be done. Okay, we have the concept of shortcuts. Say suppose you have let's go inside Facebook photos. What happens is like you keep on drilling down to the particular folders so that you can view the files. So what happens is like we have given an option called shortcuts. Where it happens, oh okay, we have navigated too much back. Okay, say suppose I want a shortcut of this. So suppose we click on this and click the create shortcut over here, this particular menu item. So when we do this, we'll create a shortcut, you'll see a star icon over here. So what does it mean? So when we do right click on this and click on shortcuts over here, so whatever shortcuts we have created, it will directly navigate to that particular file or a folder. So if you click on this, it will just open the image for you. So it's a direct navigation to that particular file or folder. So I have given a shortcut to this folder, new folder. So this folder is empty. So I hope you get the concept of shortcuts. Additionally, we have given, you can upload, you can create a new folder, you can create like this. You can create a new folder over here. Create a new folder. And you can start uploading to this particular field. And say suppose you want to share this particular video to some of your friends through email. So we can do that using the charm bar. Okay. This is known as a charm bar in Windows 8. Okay. So we have the concept of share. This is an inbuilt functionality in Windows 8. When you click on share, whatever mail or to the people app, you can share your files or a folder. So if you click on a mail, you can click on this. I've already logged in through Anita's account. So if you just give him your email address, you can click on send. So I'll not send an email right now, but this is how it works. You can share your files through this. Then again, we have some few other small stuff. When you go to settings, we have the send error report section. We create logs at the backend. So that error report can be sent through this. So you just have to keep your email address, contact number, trouble ticket number, and the message. So this helps the developer to get to know what issue has happened in the application if it crashes. Then we have the help section. Yep.
Good morning.
Oh, okay. I didn't see you. Right.
You mentioned that you will be doing a version controls.
Yep.
Okay. Can you just show example?
Yep.
If I'm going to version 3 and I want to I want to retrieve version 1, that example.
Sure, definitely. Okay. I guess I have to upload.
You can create one
that's
file and
right. That was on 0. Wait for the slide to load. It's uploaded. Change this to 1. Save. We have to do this a couple of times, so that the versions get uploaded properly. Version 1. One more window. See, the button automatically is enabled. For all the other files which doesn't have any versions, that particular file, that IDrive item will not come.
Okay.
Right? So let's click on that. View versions. Versions. So basically, you have a couple of options over here. You can download your files, whichever version you want.
Okay.
Additionally, you can make that particular version as your current. Say suppose this was your first version. Say suppose that was the current version which you wanted to be the one, should be in the forefront. Right? So, forefront, what I mean, if you make this current, right? Your version has been changed. As well as your version also increases along with that. Because it's another file which is there in your server side. Right? So, why do we need this make current thing? So when we click on this and say, click on download, so that will be downloading the most recent one to your PC,
Okay.
which you think is the correct one.
Can you show me the code where you set a 40 MB if it is file more than that?
There
It
is a-
gets streamed. Code I want to see.
No, that is on the server side. We are just calling a streaming link and they are limiting it.
Okay. Code of version controls.
For the version control, you want to see the view model or the XAML?
View model.
Can I just search to it first? This is the get versions function. So obviously we know about item model. So this is the item model which you'll be filling up with. Okay. So first of all, we clear up the version is observable collection. Then we have the REST API call. we are following REST API calls. So we call this folder path for which we want to for that particular file or that version to come. We go inside this function. Let's reduce the size. So this is a basic HTTP web request call, post call. Alright. So we get a response over here. This particular response, the output will be in XML. So after we get that get version string, we iterate to that and we apply it to the observable collection after doing a small link query on it so that it comes in ascending order.
Okay. So now when we are maintaining the versions, okay, in that case, how you maintain the version? Which it is incremental or the
It's an incremental.
Incremental versions. How you track that?
That's something it's on the server side. I'm just on the app side. No,
How you track?
I didn't do that. That's not my thing. Mine is from the app side only.
What are the from your side? I want to see because these are the most of the I don't.
Yeah, this is from the app side.
Yeah, that's right.
Right. I just implement the REST APIs and the concepts which the server side people have implemented.
Yeah, because it's already available. That's IDrive is available.
I can't hear you. Yep.
Yeah, that's right. I want to see the what you are.
This app which I have done, the REST API calls is not something which I have not done.
Oh.
Size you said 4GB. 5GB. Speed. How about if you accept the size?
If you increase the size, you will not be able to upload files.
Yeah.
You can download, you can still use the rest of the things. But uploading new files, you will not be able to do. Till you increase it, till you pay for it.
Pay for it. So, what do you need permission for how much amount you have to pay, other things, other details? Have you given that in your app?
In the app, no. But if you want to learn more, it's there. Yeah, okay. It basically leads to the website where you can learn about it. It's not in the app, we have not given it. Just
And you said that there is a Facebook pattern. Have you written any security for that pattern?
have I what?
Have you written any security for that?
It's basic HTTPS calls. And the SDK is provided by Facebook in an open source forum. So that SDK we have used directly.
So you are using it as it is?
As it is, as it is.
And the code which you have written, can you tell me that you have shown me an example where you have gotten, you have the best practices of the technology? Right, just now you showed for the virtual control. Have you used all the best practices?
As in like talking about the Pascal casing, Camel casing and all this stuff?
Yes.
As well as
the
model.
coding standards and the best practices?
The coding standards, if you talk about, we have only followed the casing concepts as well as we have followed MVVM over here.
Okay.
The unit test is not over here. I mean, it's not in this particular file, so I have not brought it along with me.
Okay, but have you done unit testing?
Yes, basic unit testing, functional unit testing. And unit is not compatible with this. So we use the basic Microsoft.
Thank you. Nice done.
Okay, I appreciate it. Thank you all.
So the next we move on to advanced query handling team. That's from Ravi Pura.